All right, guys, here, let's get big here. Where do I start? It's a good question. One that every affiliate marketer asks. Most of the successful marketers will tell you to find a thriving market and solve a problem. Provide a solution to a need. It's a simple formula and one that works. You need to know what you are selling or giving away so that you know what to name your domain and account email. It really helps to have everything in relationship to each other. I have decided on the Beginner's Lounge, which opens me to endless possibilities. My main goal is to help beginners get started correctly with affiliate marketing. It's the easiest way to success online and one that so many people have found great success with already. I took 4 courses and learned this method from the pros. I wrote a book about it. And I'm giving my book away, The Magic of Affiliate Marketing Toolkit for Success. It's a package of books, including The Secret Email System from Matt Bacak, 5 Ways to Profit on Instagram, and the Funnelology Trilogy of books. We also have free courses along with recommended courses, so you will truly understand what you are doing. It's so important to apply what you learn. So many give up too soon. It is a marathon. You need to realize that. This will take time, but it has been proven over and over that this process works. With all this information, you will be able to set up a working affiliate marketing business. Find offers that benefit your tribe and use your autoresponder to send them out and watch the magic happen. I would post on all the social networks what you have to offer as well. And also Facebook, paid ads, and solo ads will help when you can afford them. I show you other ways to set up funnels besides ClickFunnels. You can set up your landing page with GetResponse or some other programs. I'm offering a free business setup, but you will still need to purchase a domain name and get an autoresponder. You can start for free with GetResponse or Groove, and I recommend domain.com or DN Simple for a reasonably priced domain. Here are some links to some other page builders. You may like all of them. It helps to have more than one. Okay, let's take a look. We have Presentar. It's about to be released June 6th. Get in on the big launch and you can win $50,000 and 2 Mustangs, plus a bunch of other great prizes. There's also ClickDesigns. Just released, is a fabulous design studio worth taking a look at. And there's Profitsuite. It's a one-time fee software that can replace ClickFunnels that has a continuous monthly fee. This is where I suggest you start. Get the books and get set up. If you have any questions, any problems, just let me know. I will be glad to help you to our success. Oh, and P.S. I've been meditating since 1968, but coming into contact with Muji in 2010 opened up new levels of awareness for me. Check out my playlist, Favorite Meditations. You'll find that in the link below, along with the other links. Be sure to hit the like button and the bell if you don't want to miss any of my future videos for tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. You get more from the Beginner's Lounge, and I'll be seeing you all soon. Take care for now.